किसान है तो मेहनत करनी होती है, अपनी मेहनत के बल पे हम करते हैं। हो ही जाती है, सालाना 10,000 11,000 की आय हो जाती है। हम अपने बच्चों की फीस देते हैं, उसमें घर का भी खर्चा निकालते हैं।
We are in the town of Champawat in the Kumaon region in northern India in the foothills of the Himalayas. Tea has a very deep cultural significance here in the community, and we're here establishing a farmer-owned collective, process high-quality teas in the food-safe way.
Champawat has a money order economy. The men from Champawat move out of the city, they work there, send back money home. The women folk are left back home to tend to the fields. They are the main driving force behind agricultural produce in the area.
महिलाओं का खेती में ये रोल है, एक तो वो बुआई करते हैं और उसके साथ वो गुड़ाई भी करते हैं। मतलब खेत में जो भी घास होती है वो निकालना होता है, फिर वो पानी की व्यवस्था भी करवाते हैं।
Climate change is impacting tea in a number of ways. The most immediate way it's doing that is by changing the availability of water. In addition, we're seeing increased incidences of wildfires that are burning down the forests and damaging communities. As the farmers are seeing less and less yield from their crops, they're leaving farming, so we're stuck in a cycle that we need to break out of. And this project's goal is to help create an alternative to that cycle.
We've worked with Young Mountain Tea for a number of years. The founder of Young Mountain Tea came to us with the idea of a collective ownership model in which we can help the farmers reclaim the wasteland, protect the resilience of the farm community, and create economic opportunities for the farmers.
The most lucrative part of the tea trade happens inside of a processing facility. So by us working with USAID, Frontier Co-op, and other partners to help get this up and going, what we're doing is shifting ownership into the hands of the farmers who already do the hardest parts of the work, but just aren't right now able to participate in the rewards of that work.
Frontier's contribution to this project was roughly $90,000, and that is creating a 7,200 square foot facility that can do about 30 metric tons of tea per year. The culmination of all these efforts will benefit roughly 500 farmers who, over time, will collectively own the entire processing facility.
The project implemented by USAID and Frontier has been very important because the farmers were actually on the brink of abandoning the tea cultivation. So now this program has actually enthused them to continue their activity and make it viable because they can see that they are going to be owners of the tea factory that is being set up.
Frontier Cooperative के मतलब उनके उनसे हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा। जब वो लोग आए, हमारी बात हुई, उन्होंने हमें हिम्मत दी, आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाया कि आप लोग खेती मत छोड़ो, करो। तो हमने उनकी वजह से ये काम शुरू किया। अभी हमारा बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, इनकम भी हो रही है। हम चाहते हैं कि आगे को और भी अच्छा।
उससे फ्रंटियर कोऑपरेटिव से हमको फ़ायदा है। रोज हर महीने ट्रेनिंग में सीख रहे हैं, सब कुछ फ़ायदा हो रहा है, दिमाग की सोच बढ़ रही है, आपस में बोलना सीख रहे हैं, झिझक दूर हो रही है। सब इनके माध्यम से ही हो रहा है हमारा सब काम।
The future of tea in Champawat looks the brightest, with all our farmers joining up with the best raw material possible, with our partners such as Frontier, with USAID's support, with Young Mountain Tea. I think the sky's the limit.
This project wouldn't be possible if we didn't have great partners like Young Mountain Tea and USAID. The idea that you can partner with somebody in a way that actually benefits them, but more importantly, it works for our company because we have this long-term relationship that brings high-quality product in a food-safe way at scale so that Frontier can continue to grow.